Thinking about it, I think an alumni asked us to, hey, you should go. I think it would be a lot of fun. And also the tickets were discounted. So
yes, that was
thought
a
it would
plus.
be a lot of fun.
And everyone always told us how much fun they had at the dinner. So we were like, okay, we want to have some fun.
I remember studying for the bar that day because I was at work and they were letting me study for the bar. And then as the evening came, I knew it was something to look forward to, something to take a break from, and then got to get dressed up and go to the dinner. And I do remember Dean Coates specifically coming up to me and being like, why are you not studying?
We're like, we promised we studied. We studied
We all
earlier.
passed, so it worked out.
Yeah.
We studied earlier that day.
I enjoyed seeing everyone from school the most because not only did we see our classmates who were graduating or just graduated with us, and we talked about studying and taking a break from that, but we also saw our teachers and then people that work at NSL who I hadn't seen in a long time. So I really enjoyed that part.
For me, it was seeing the entire Tennessee Supreme Court justices there.
That was pretty cool.
That was cool. They just casually sit up in the front, and you're like, oh wow.
It's like their royalty, but
I was like, this is not just a little dinner. In my mind, it was a smaller dinner, but when we got there, there were
massive.
so many people, and it was so nice, and it was just this amazing community of people.
And it's really cool. It's not just alumni that come.
Mm-hmm.
So many lawyers or non-lawyers in the community come to support NSL, and I love that part about it.
Yeah, we kind of definitely have decided that we're going to go every year for the foreseeable future.
Yeah,
I remember when
definitely.
the dinner got announced. I think it was me. I screenshot it and said, "It's been announced. The date has been announced."
Yeah.
So we're like, we have to make sure to save it.
We can at least have one day that we can see each other. So each
Right.
year we
Something to
know
look
we see
forward
each other
to.
more, but one
Right.
day that we can see each
We
other.
get all
every
dressed
year.
up and it's fun, and we can
Yeah.
see everybody. It's like a little reunion.
Yeah.
And I
it's
think
nice.
this year we're trying to do like a class of 2023, and I know we've reached out to some of the folks in our class, and they're excited about doing this every year too. So hopefully it's something we can keep doing. I think the opportunity to pour back into a school that allowed us to become lawyers to begin with is huge for me. That's one reason to come and support the alumni and be part of something, and just to stay in touch with everybody. We all kind of go off and do our families and do our careers, and it's nice to be able to stay in touch.
It's a great networking opportunity. Even if you're a student or just kind of a younger attorney, you get to mingle with people who've been doing it for decades, and they might have a job opening, or you might, meet somebody that 3 years down the line you became close with, and now they have a position open for you.
Yeah,
Extra
it's a great
touch.
opportunity for that.
Yeah.
We would love for you to join us at the Nashville School of Law's Recognition Dinner.
You're going to see students, classmates, and attorneys from across the entire state.
You definitely won't regret it. If you're interested in getting tickets, click the link below.